What's going on, guys? It's your bro Taylor.
And your bro Ryan here. In today's video, this starts the first week of our challenge. If you haven't heard, please go check out our last video. We talked a little bit more about the details and the terms of this challenge, but basically we're going to go in and we're going to talk about and manage our two different portfolios. Each week you guys are going to vote or comment on your favorite stocks of the week, and based on those votes and comments, we're going to buy in at two different stocks, and we're going to see how our portfolios perform over time. This week, Apple was the number one voted stock, or the highest in the comments. So this week, Taylor's going to be buying into the number one stock. I myself am going to be putting in $25 into Ford. And with that, I was able to pull in just over one share of Ford.
So yeah, guys, as Ryan mentioned, I bought $25 worth of Apple stock, and it being worth a lot more than $25 per stock, I was only able to get 0.16872 stocks. Now, that may seem like a big difference when you look at number of stocks in Ryan's portfolio and mine, but the value is still the same, so we're still competing head to head with each other. He was actually able to gain a little in market value today. I stayed stagnant overall from the point where I purchased. So we're still sitting at about $25. Ryan gained a little bit of change, but I suspect over time, Apple's been a pretty reliable company over the years. I think I'm sitting pretty. Like you mentioned, those dividends are going to be reinvested. So hopefully my stock will just simply grow exponentially and we'll get the dub.
We expect these videos to be pretty short each week. We're pretty much going to go over how the stock portfolios performed individually over the last week, as well as buy in or tell you guys what we just bought into that day. Each still investing about $25 a week, and just seeing the overall growth. So please follow us on this competition. Let's hope we can crush Taylor and his portfolio and hit it out of the park this time. So thank you guys for watching. Really enjoy doing this. Hope you guys enjoy watching these videos. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel. We really want to reach out to more people and get more people along this to more votes, more competition, more comments. So yeah, please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.